Hi everyone, I am analyst and providing technical view about the gold market weekly reactions. I am also starting live streaming the YouTube channel daily basis and analyzing the market like gold, oil, Nasdaq, SP 500, S&P 100. So subscribe my channel and join my Facebook page and Telegram group even below this video. The direction of the market in weekly time frame still in the downside. Now market also stand very important resistance and many times hit this resistance line like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times weekly candle hit this important resistance level and also given a support movie average. Other side market also making a hanging man candlestick pattern. According this pattern, market move to the upside direction and stand very strong resistance level and make a hanging man candle. This candle is sign of reversal. So this week also confirmation given by long bearish candle break the previous low hanging man candle. Other hand market according to the sports and resistance, market hold many times this support area like first time, then second, third and fourth and fifth. So market 5 times hold this support area and also very strong area resistance like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks market hold this strong resistance, not move to the upside. So market according to the sports decision making range in these two levels. The movie average also playing the role like resistance and sports. So market according to the movie average also resistance level like 18, 22 and supporting area like 70, 50 in the downside. So market working still in two movie average like 1822 and 1750 level according to the moving average. So my first opinion according to the technical view, if market continue pressure downside and break this candle low like 70, 82 and 80 level, then go to the downside further like retest again this area 70, 75 and major support area like 70, 62 and 70, 50 area downside. So very key level this area because also moving average supporting like a support and also many times hit this support area for the next direction market based on this level. So market if break this key level and supporting area, then very negative sign for the gold market. So according to my first opinion, if market continue go to the downside, then market face two major target downside I am given below. So after these two targets, then market next face the key level and also called general support area because market hit this area many times like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times market hit this area and again going to the upside. Again market hit this area, then again nice bounce to the upside. So very key level and very longer term direction gold market base this area. If market above this area and also called bottom 5 bottom in the same key level. So market hold above this market, then market go to the upside and market longer term still in upside directions. So market below this area and break this key support area and closing body below this area, then very bearish sign for the gold market for the longer term. Then market go to the my first target and second and third target I given below. These key target downside target if market break this key support area and closing below this area. Other side, my second opinion in this market hold this low like 70 80 to 82 level. Then market in this level again go to the upside like 80 10 level and 18 14 level, very important to the upside. And also the further upside like upside target 18 22 level, like a beautiful movie average retest again. So my opinion in this market, second market hold this level, and if market not hold this level, then market go to the downside and hit the supporting area and also moving average come close to this area. Then very good trade for the buying opportunity in this market if market hold this level for the longer term. So market, my first opinion, this level market hold and going to the upside. If market again open next week and retest again this line channel and also supporting area, then market go to the upside like 1810 and 1814 and last my beautiful retest again moving average like 1822 and 20 level. So market hold this level and break above this resistance level, then very bullish sign for the gold market. Then market I am given the two target upside like this and second my target this. So according to my second opinion, if market hold this level, then market go to these level, and if market break this level, then very good sign for the bullish and then go to the upside direction according to my first and second target in the longer term. So market hit these target. If market break this level, then market face further important resistance and also direction of the market still downside. So level is also key level for the market. If below this, then market go to the again downside. Otherwise market if break this level, then market go to the upside, my first and second and third target. If market break this level and close above this level. I am given first and second view about the gold market further few weeks. So let's see how market move next few weeks. So please subscribe my channel, also join me my Facebook page and also Telegram group for further update about the market and also live streaming like different technical analyzing pairs like currencies, oil, US stocks like Nasdaq 100 and SP 500. So subscribe my channel to attach with me for the further update of the market. Goodbye and good luck.